Yeah, g'day folks. Right, I've got a new toy here to play with. It's a motorcycle lift. Goes under the bike and it's like a scissor lift. So I'll set it up, have a go, and we'll be back shortly. Right, well there it is out of the box. Weighs about 10 kilo I think. So there's no setting up to do. So I'll take it over the bike and we'll have a play. Right, there it is wound up. That's at the maximum height. And my bike's on a lean, so yeah, it's got, well, I don't know, probably at maximum height about 100 mil I reckon. I think mine's about 280, that's up to 350. And I suppose you could always sit that on top of a decent lump of wood if you wanted to. So I'll probably do that, mount it to a sleeper I've got lying around, and that'll bring it up just that smidgen more and I won't have to wind it out. Okay, I'm going to have a bit of a play here, let's see what happens. Okay, bring it down somewhat. Whoops. Oh, if I get that out. At least we know that works, the safety pin. Alright, she's got weight now. Right, well at this point she's as solid as a rock. Look at that, that's pretty good. The front wheel is still on the ground, so I'll have to move that, but the back is off, which is enough. Well, that was effortless. Right, now I've got the jack a bit too far forward and only the front wheel has come up. Right, I think I've got it lined up properly in the centre. So we'll have a go and see where this one finishes up. Right, both front and rear are off the wheel, off the ground. So I reckon if I brought it forward just a smidgen, not quite sure, fine, minor adjustment, but I have wound it up almost to its max. I can't remember what they said, the max was 350, wasn't it? But that's to get both wheels off the ground, and the front one's off by about an inch and the rear is, yeah, quite a lot. So with some minor adjustments, and surprisingly, I'll go wobble it. You see how solid this thing is on here, it's good. folks, well that's that done. I'm quite happy with that. It's not a hoist you'd be doing a lot of serious work on, but just for changing tyres or getting it up off the ground. Brilliant. Alright, well that's that. Bye for now.